version of beef pares. Enjoy.
So guys, para sa ating beef pares, beef mami, beef pares, beef noodles, ito yung tawag ko sa kanya. Ito yung aking sariling version. Initin lang natin yung mantika muna sa ating kaserola. Tapos ilalagay natin yung pinagsamang bawang, coriander, tsaka asin. Igisa lang natin siya. At hayaan lang natin mag-brown ng konti yung ating bawang. Halo. Lagi kong nilalagyan ng coriander kasi natutunan ko to sa aking Nepali na katrabaho dati. Lahat nilalagyan nila ng coriander. Ultimong omelette. Sabi ko gayahin ko nga. Masarap naman siya. So, haluin lang natin. So, now ilalagay na natin yung ating beef. Yung beef pala natin, hinaluan ko lang siya ng chili powder, konting toyo, asin, paminta. Ibinabad ko siya ng mga 30 minutes. So, ganito lang kasimple yung aking pares. Hayaan lang natin siyang maprito ng konti. Tapos, bago natin ihalo yung ibang mga ingredients. Tingnan natin. Go tayo. Naaamoy ko na siya. Now, maghuhulog tayo ng isang cinnamon stick, isang star anise, saka dalawang cloves. Ito siya. 2 pieces, saka yung ating bay leaf. And, of course, yung beef broth natin. Kung meron kayong yung beef broth na ready na, okay din yun. Pero ako mas gusto ko yung gantong klaseng buyon. Halo-halo. Ihuhulog ko yung natira sa pinagbabara natin ng baka. Tapos, ilalagay ko na yung asukal. Maglalagay tayo ng asukal. Ito, brown sugar. So, dahil gusto namin dito medyo manamis-namis, gawin ko siyang dalawa. Depende sa gusto nyo. Gusto nyo ng hindi masyadong matamis, pwedeng isang kutsarita lang. Kami gusto namin yung malabuka yung tamis. So, gumaganda na yung kulay niya. Now, ang gagawin natin, ilalagyan na natin yung 1 litro ng tubig. One liter. Okay. Again, go natin siya. Halo. Haluin natin. Hindi na ako naglagay ng asin, paminta kasi yung pinagbabaran ko ng toyo, ng beef, meron na siyang paminta, tsaka ng asin din. Ganon din yung itinikdik ko na bawang tsaka coriander. So, huwag naman masyadong maalat. Pan natin siya guys, tapos lutuin natin siya ng mga 40 minutes. 40 minutes ako kasi konti lang yung baka, tsaka wala naman talaga yung as in malalaking tipak. So maliliit lang siya na filet mignon style. Tapos slow cook lang tayo ng 40 minutes. So guys, na-check ko na yung baka. Tender na siya. Tapos tinanggal ko na rin yung ating mga aromatics. Ngayon, ang ilalagay natin ay sesame oil. Kung ano mang klase ng brand ng sesame oil ang meron kayo, patak ko lang. Tapos depende sa alat na gusto nyo, dark soy sauce to. Patak. Hoisin sauce. Patak. And a little bit of oyster sauce. Hindi ko siya lalagyan ng cornstarch kasi hindi ko masyadong type yung masyadong matawag doon, marayupot. Ano bang marayupot sa Tagalog? Malapot. Yun, malapot. So, hindi ko masyadong gusto yung malapot. Nakita niyo naman, I'm gonna show you, yung kulay niya, maganda-ganda na. So, pakuluan lang natin siya ng let's say mga 10 minutes more. Tapos, ready to eat na siya. So guys, ready to eat na yung ating beef pares. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng konting garnish na carrots, cabbage, boiled egg.
In English?
It's the same thing in English.
Oh, yeah?
Lol, morit. Tsaka
Okay.
yung noodles na paborito ko. So, it's up to you guys. You wanna eat it with rice, you wanna eat it alone, itself, soup.
So
At
this is
hindi na
ramen
niya ako-
soup.
Hindi man lang niya ako pinatapos. Okay. So, meron din tayong chop suey. At nagsaing din ako. Rice.
Okay.
So,
Translation nosebleed in Tagalog there. I don't understand the word you're saying, so. This is ramen soup. It's my favorite. I don't even have a clue what she puts in it because she talks in Tagalog. So even if I listen to the video, I won't understand a thing. Shout to Angel if you're listening to us on this video. This is a ramen soup. Basically, there's meat, there's noodles, there's beef, and there's boiled eggs and shallots and carrots. It looks beautiful. It looks very healthy. You eat it with steamed rice and a special sauce. What's in the sauce?
that's my chili oil with lime and coriander garlic.
So it's chili oil, lime, and coriander
That's my sausawan.
garlic. And then here there's shrimp with veggies steamed. Very nice. It looks beautiful. Healthy food. Nice and colorful. Look at that. And that's how you serve it. You put lemon and shallots. You put the eggs on the side. Also with cabbage. If you want to add cabbage or eggs. It looks amazing. Maybe I shouldn't even talk to you guys. I should attack it. It looks amazing. This is a Chinese bowl set we bought because it looks nicer in a Chinese bowl. And this is the Chinese soup spoons. This is the rice bowl also. They're cute, you know, $5 each in the market. And it looks like it's gonna taste amazing as usual, you know. So let's attack and start eating and we'll let you know tomorrow about how it tasted.
Hindi talaga niya ako pinasingit, di ba?
Copy that. I don't know what she said, but I agree with her.
Umepal talaga siya.
Whatever.
So guys, thank you for watching. See you again next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.